Okay, everyone, we have a trade setup forming right over here. You could see this gold market has been in a balance area, and guess what we're nearing? We're nearing top edge of it, which is an area to sell. So we're gonna put an order in to sell one contract at 11.16. Let's move it back here. Okay, so we're on the offer. You know what? It looks like we could actually get it at a better price. Um, Once we enter this trade, we're going to have our stop above that high, because that is what will invalidate the trade. You can see these currencies have just exploded. I might enter at a break of this area too if it happens before it comes up to the 16.4s. The yen is not doing much. Oil is not doing much. And the euro is sort of setting up. I'd prefer to get it at a better price. But you could see there's volume in this. So someone is trading this market. Okay, so we'll pause, see if we get hit. Okay guys, so we got filled at 16.1. Gonna put our stop to the 18s. So right about this level, so let's draw our stop right at the 18 level, right over here. That's where our stop is. Our target is down to the 1110s, so we're expecting move down to lows potentially, and a potential break of that. We could see on the 30-minute chart that we have a big bounce area forming here. We're right in the middle of it, taking a trade here at the point of control of it, the high volume, looking for it to drop down. So that is my trade idea. We are short at 16.1. Okay, this is the first step we really want to see in one of these trades. Let's go to a 1-minute chart. First thing you want to see is we made a trade in a smaller degree balance area. You want this one to break, and you want it to drop quickly out of it, which it seems to be doing. Your minimum target on one of these trades really is to here, which is where the up move started. And your really the rest is more money. Really, you can make as much more as you could see fit. And what I see is a potential break of 1110, which will cause it to probably fall initiatively. So my trade idea is for it to break the 1110s, and my first target below that, if we go to a 15-minute chart, is really the 1100. So this can potentially be a $1,600 trade if it works out really well. If not, our stop will be hit. But it seems like we've got a seller coming through, and he wants to bring it down at a minimum to the 1110s. There is a possibility where you could add another contract at 1110, depending on your risk tolerance. But so far it looks like the trade is working out pretty well. See, we had a very quick response, which is always good to see. So we'll pause, see if we could take it down to the 1110s. Okay guys, it's been a good hour and a half possibly. And this is what we have right now. Um, Volatility obviously decreasing, coming into this wedge sort of thing. I don't trade patterns, so it really doesn't matter. But I would like to see it possibly come a bit higher, possibly stop people out, and then start dropping. Um, I'm looking for really once again that move to break below these 1110s. It's 9 o'clock at night. I usually go to bed at like 10:30, so I don't know if I might be holding this overnight. Depends if there's an initiative player who might come in the next hour. We looking at the currencies like the pound. We came and tested an important area, which was rejected, creating balance here, and I think it should go lower because of that. Um, Looking at the euro, once again, it's in a small balance area. I told you that we could have made a trade up in here in it, but it's in a balance area. And to me, it's still in a possible shorting mode, unless this high up here breaks. But it looks like, just from where the volume has been today, it's been mostly on the downside. See all the volume increased as we went lower. So overall, there's sellers both gold and the euro. And once again, looking at volume, acceleration in volume, falling in price, and we're actually accelerating to the downside right now. So we're going to see if these lows can break here. There's obviously a small buyer over here. Okay guys, you can see we've got quite the sell-off happening right now. The gold market, it looks like it's testing its 1110 area. And really this is the area of some support. So let's close it right here. Okay, so we made a good 4 points, 4.6 points. You could see we only risked about 1/3 of that to make this amount of money. And that's really the key to trading. Just wanted to make a video of a real live trade that was live money, and you can see we had our stop here, and our target. One target was right in this area, and our second target was a break below it, and we took it at our first target for a good profit of $460. Thank you for watching this video.